I'm gonna fuck my kids up. They playing too much with this damn hail.
But them drugs lethal, boy. Hell, man.
Come in the car. Come in the car. Oh, hell no.
Over there, that's a lot over there. I don't know what hell it is.
What's it, my damn car?
Yeah, I said, is it not hailing over there? She's talking about, what? Like I said, is you what? And then I said, read what you just said to me. I said, is it not hailing over there? And then when them ices come down like that, dumbass. Hold up, move on. Go ahead, go.
Damn.
What?
That's some bullshit.
It stopped though like 5 seconds and it came back.
Say hey everybody to the Hailstorm. Hey everybody.
Hi. It's all portertail.
No.
Nigga, this is recording.
Nigga, this is recording.
Y'all were what you scared of your girlfriend? Huh?
Hold
So why the fuck you got your thing on your face?
So this Facebook is?
No, I'm on Facebook.
Oh.
Cause you don't know.
I want mine on.
Cause you don't know what?
You don't know who I'm dealing with, so why would I put you on Facebook?